Alright, we're working on the 1992 Dodge Dakota LE, and I decided to go ahead and finish up this project tonight. No sense in replacing a bunch of stuff that just don't need to be replaced. We did get a new upper ball joint, new bushings in the top, a new axle. I'm sure that's where the noise is coming from, and a new hub bearing. Okay, I did bleed the brakes with the hose there and that. Pumped it 10 times, 3 times, tightened it, refilled my master cylinder over there. And then in order to get that tight enough, I stuck a screwdriver right in there. That one right there, okay. And I took that 3/4 breaker bar and I added, which basically that's for a handyman jack, but it worked good for a cheater bar, cheater pipe, whatever you want to call them. And I put that on that piece there because those go from anywhere to 100 to 300 foot-pounds. So I wanted to make sure that was tight. So the lower ball joint is the same as the original, but I'm sure it's good. And yeah, I got more parts that we could put in, but the simple fact of the matter is, let's test drive this and see if that worked or not. And if it didn't, we'll be back. But I'm quite confident that this will get her done. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.